Hi, it's Charlie with Alpha Building Consultants again. So far, in another segment, I've repaired the moisture barrier on the house where the framers didn't do it properly. And I have installed the lower area myself where the window's going to be installed. And you can see on the back of the window nailing flange, I've installed a sealant. And I didn't put any on the bottom. I put it here because I'm going to be grabbing the bottom of the window and I don't want to stick my fingers in the caulk. I use a product called Big Stretch. Yes, we have stock in that company. Buy this product. Anyway, not really. It's just a good high quality sealant, and just like the name says, it will stretch a lot. It's got a high degree of elastomeric properties. So that's something that's important when you have differing building materials that expand and contract at different rates based on temperature. So now, one of the things that I talked about earlier was the slot I made in the moisture barrier, and it was for that purpose. You can see that upper flange is in it. Now, I'm going to use a couple of roofing tacks just to set this and hold it while I go inside and level the window. Look for the rest of the segments up on our channel. Charlie with